Hello, everyone, and happy Saturday. This is a correlations table. It's correlations of non-stock or equity exchange traded funds or ETFs with the S&P 500 as measured by SPY. The date range is October 6th, 2025 through December 5th, 2025. The dependent variable is SPY, highlighted in yellow at the top. And then you see the independent variables are along the left-hand side, highlighted in green. We'll start with SHY. SHY is an exchange-traded fund which tracks the two-year U.S. government note, and that only accounts for 3.34% of the variance. On SPY, it has an inverse relationship. UUP tracks the US dollar. That only accounts for 0.47% of the variance, and it has a positive correlation with SPY. USCI tracks a basket of commodities. That has a pretty strong correlation with SPY. It has a positive relationship, and it accounts for 30.19% of the variance. FXY tracks the Japanese yen. That is a negative relationship with SPY, but it only accounts for 2.1% of the variance. FXE tracks the euro currency. That has a positive relationship with SPY, but only accounts for 1.09% of the variance. FXF tracks the Swiss franc. That has a negative relationship with SPY, but only accounts for negative 0.62% of the variance. ELT tracks the U.S. government long bond. It has almost no relationship with SPY. It's maybe negative 0.05. PLD tracks gold, and that has almost no relationship. It only accounts for 0.02% of the variance. It has a negative relationship. GBF is a credit fund, almost no relationship. It has a positive one, but again, only accounts for 0.04% of the variance. IBIT tracks Bitcoin, but it has a negative relationship with SPY, but again, it's only 0.10% of the variance. Now, HYG has the second strongest correlation, okay? We said USCI up over here was the third strongest correlation at 30.019%. So as that goes up, so does SPY by 30.19. HYG down here has a slightly stronger, coming in at second. HYG, again, it's a high yield bond fund, corporate bond fund, that accounts for 31.07% of the variance on SPY. As that goes up, so does SPY by 31.07%. But the VIX over here, so VXX tracks the VIX, then that's the rock star. And that accounts for 75.41% of the variance on SPY. But remember, it has an inverse relationship. So as the VIX goes up, SPY goes down by 75.41% of the variance. Once again, this correlation table covers the date range of the trading of these exchange-traded funds from October 6th, 2025 through December 5th, 2025. And again, over time, correlations do change. Okay? Thank you for listening. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.